You recording?
Yeah.
What's this? What do you want? Drink. What now? Cheese? There you go. Do another bit. Is that okay? Do you want more? More? Toast? Okay. What's that? More toast? There's toast. You want a big bit? Darren, what's this? What's this?
Bread.
Bread, yeah, bread. There you go. There you go. Cheese. What's this? Pasta. Got some? No? Darren. Rabbit! Yeah! What's that? What's that? Duck, yeah, good boy. What's that? Not mouse, no. It looks like a mouse, doesn't it? But it's a squirrel. What's that, Baron? Squirrel. Knock on the door.
Where?
Knock, knock. Who's there? Who's that? Who's that? Ducky duck, yeah. Can you see the... Where's the peas, Baron? What's that? What are they? What are they? Peas? Well done, well done. Peas? Can you sign? Baron, what's that? Kettle, yeah, kettle. What's that? Milk. Where's what's this? Who's this? Who's that? Rabbit. Fruit. Fruit. Okay. No, what are they? What are they? Peas. Good boy. What's that? Watering can. Good boy. Who's that? Cat. Meow. Trowel. Can you see the butterflies? Okay, we're finished with the book. You want it again? What do you want? Baron. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Gone. Where's it gone? There it is. Butterfly. Yeah, I think so. For now, anyway.
Okay.
Bees. There they are. What are they, Baron? Can you just do this one? Is it still on? Baron, what's that? Yeah, what's this? What's this? Apple. Good boy. Apple.